Hello, everybody. It's your girl Tracy, and welcome back to Humble Vibes. Thank you for tuning in to my new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to apply this face mask. It's called the Green Tea plus Activated Charcoal 2-in-1 Purifying Cruelty-Free Face Mask by a company called By Nature. So this is going to be my first time trying this brand, and I'm just going to show you guys if it works or not. So let's get started. So one on first. So I think this is the Deep Purifying Cleanser. So I'm going to put this all over first. And of course, avoiding the eyes and everything like that. Get all over. Circular motion. So this removes the dirt and impurities. Okay. So I think that's got all over, and I think with this one, I could actually feel it working. To be honest with you, I can feel it working. And I'm going to let it just sit on there for a little minute. I know they tell you to hurry up and wash these things off, but I'll be like, I'm gonna let it sit for just a little bit. So I'm doing this in circular motion. I don't know, I just use one hand. Most people use two, I use one. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and pat dry. Okay, so now step 2, I have to put the mask on. So let's open it up. Ooh, it's hard to open. Oh, I done ripped it open. And I'll put the mask all over my face. Oh yeah, I done ripped it open. Now it's leaking out. Hold on. Some bit inside the sink. This do sound kind of cool. Here. It is leaking. Oh, I ripped it bad. I think I got it all over my face. I'm put a little bit more right here on my eyebrows at. Don't want it too close to my eyes, like they say. I don't know. There you go. Like that. Alright. Oh, well, I know it's on here. Make sure I get my forehead real good. Alright. Those in the trash. Wash my hands real quick. Get all this stuff off my hands. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, I got the face mask all over my face. And it says to let it sit for 10 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And then I'll be right back to show you guys the results. Alright, y'all. So this is the end result. After I wash the face mask off, my face, as you can see, is nice and clear. And it does feel a lot softer and everything since I put the face mask on there. So thank you guys for tuning in to another video with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And have a wonderful night.